Okay, and now I have a computer that I made from parts that I got from a place that was getting rid of a whole bunch of computers, a bunch of office computers. There were Dells. I think there was a couple. No, I think they was all Dells. I was thinking there was one different one, but anyways, the video card though I had it's a GT 630. Not too bad, 4 gigabyte, but I mean, shoot, I got a 280 GTX that was made in 2008, and that thing's way faster than that video card. But I don't know, this one handles not too bad. I mean, come on, I got it on a 42-inch TV. But yeah, this was free except for the card, which was $67. And I mean, $67 versus my other PC, which is $1,700 for just the tower. But yeah, I got a game on it right now. Not too bad. See, responsive. I mean, it probably 35 frame rates a second, but still. Not a gamer's dream, by no means. But playable. Damn near free.